What's your radio station? What radio station are you from?
94.3.
Kabayan Radio. Kabayan Radio. Hello, good evening to
Hello ba
you.
yung Elia?
My next movie is Isang Daang Awit para kay Stella.
Okay.
Sequel ng Isang Daang Awit.
Fortunately, we have to translate that.
Showtime, when I'm finished shooting. Yeah, when I finish shooting. Oh, please watch MMK. I'm gonna play OFWs from Dubai.
Tuna.
So, actually, meron na yung part 1. Kahapon sa I Want. So, it's
Tuna, bigyan mo na yung mic.
I think sa Saturday siya ibabalbas.
Okay na yun, sir.
So, it's 2 parts. Very interesting. Sana panoorin ng mga OFW. Sobrang importante.
Everything was shot in Dubai.
No, sa
Okay na, give 2 dito.
Rizal lang yung shoot. Ang mahal mag-shoot.
Akala ko yung standard ko, kasi alam ko last night, galing kang Pinas, so doon maraming lula.
Thank you for the question. That was amazing.
So cute. Okay.
Next time sa Dubai na siya.
Dito ka.
Video naman eh.
I know, I'll cheer you guys. I'm going to be the part.
We've only seen the tip of